Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this EU Technan socket cube with USB-C and USB-A ports. We have a 3-way multiple socket adapter with a cable. That's really cool. Okay, it is not an extension socket with cable, but it is a socket cube with cable, and the cable comes to your for example smartphone with USB-C, because there is a cable included which comes with a male USB-C socket plug. Really cool. 3680 watt and 16 ampere with one roll-up charging cable, 2 USB-A and 1 Type-C ports. It's a 7-in-1 socket for office, home, travel with multiple sockets. Roll-up charging cable is really cool, as you can see. Multi-socket with this cable is equipped with a 0.74 meter, this is nearly 30 inches long roll-up charging cable, so we can quickly charge our device at any time. We have 7-in-1 multifunction sockets. The socket adapter has 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports and 1 Type USB-C port. And of course, additionally, 1 roll-up charging cable. It can charge up to 7 devices at the same time with a maximum voltage of 250 volts. That means you can use it all over the planet, nearly, because up to 250 volt is the big range. The maximum current is 16 ampere. This is standard. And the maximum power consumption is 3680 watt. But there's more, because we have a multi-safety protection socket cube. Whoa, that's cool, because it is made of flame retardant ABS and PC. Internally protected against overvoltage, overcurrent, flame retardant, and short circuit, and with child locks. We have fast charging. The single USB port provides a charging speed up to 2.4 ampere. With multiple ports, it is up to 3.4 ampere in total. The output current of the Type-C port is 3 ampere. And we have a wide range of applications. The size of the socket cube is 11.3 to 7.6 to 7.6 centimeter, and the weight is only 220 grams. The small and lightweight design is perfect for on the go or for use in the office, bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom. If we have any idea where we can use that, here's a solution for it, because you have nearly everything what you need to reload your devices with this socket here. Multi-device Internet, 3 AC sockets, 2 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port. Oh, and on top there is a retractable Type-C charging cable. We no longer have to worry about forgetting our mobile phone charger. Wireless design is too. It can be plugged directly into the socket for use. Simple and beautiful, robust and durable. And it comes with a multiple protection. It provides safety protection during the fast charging. Suitable for mobile phones, notebooks, computers, and other devices. Small and portable means there's enough space to carry around us. It can be used indoors, such as bedrooms, hotels, and offices. But it's only suitable for travel. We have input from 100 up to 250 volt AC, 50-60 heart rated. And the power is maximum with 3680 watt. Maximum 250 volts, 16 ampere. And we have an USB output delivery of 5 volt, 2.4 ampere. The total ampere of the USB connection is 3.4 ampere. The Type-C comes with 5 volt, 3 ampere. It's a flame retardant PC material size with 11.3 to 77 centimeters. That's a cube, and it looks really cool. And there's an adapter included. It's equipped with a 0.74 meter. This is 29.1 inches long. Retractable Type-C charging cable to charge the device at any time. We pull it out once with a light pressure to fix the length, and then retract it automatically with another pull. Really cool. Cool feature. And, of course, the socket cube is made of high-quality wire-proof PC material to protect the connector's devices. And the beautiful, compact, and portable design makes it ready for vacation, ready for business trips, and, of course, ready for the office. If you have only one socket there, then you can use this here to make an extension with it. This is the EU Technang Socket Cube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.